Okay, here we are, ready to set the niche. We're going to be installing these pebbles, and they're flat, they're not round. You can see that's flat. Always recommend the flat ones. If you do the round ones, they work, but they just take a lot of grout, and even when you grout them, you still get low spots here and there, so it doesn't come out the best. So we always recommend the flat ones. Here's a flat one. I'm going to use a 1/4 notch trowel inside the niche and set them one by one. And that way you have those sheet lines. And we're going to do the same thing on the shower floor. We're going to be setting it with Bostik Beach set, unmodified thin set, since we're going over Sluter Curry, so everything cures properly. Stay tuned. So a nice little tool like it came about is a Trowel X 1/4 by 1/4 trowel. You can see it's a small one, so I can fit it inside this niche without hitting something. Really like it. So that's it for that one. Looking good. To the shower floor now. Okay, that's it. One by one set and backwater. Everything is wiped down. You always want to keep the joints clean as you can with these pebbles, or any tile, especially with these. And that's it.